Hi, my name is Divakar Sinha, and I'm going to tell you about Power BI tips and tricks. So, as you can see, this is finance dashboard, which is very simple dashboard, which have two slicer for fiscal year and KPI name, and here this is a card which represent the values for this KPI and for this fiscal year. And here is a chart which represents you know for entire period for that particular financial fiscal year selected here to 2015 till 2016. Okay, so it is represents GDC wise. As you can see, all these GDC names are here, and here it is displaying in the millions you know what was the actual total recoveries for all those GDCs like Costa Rica, India, Malaysia, Manila, Philippines, and so on and so forth. So similarly, we can create new dashboard. So I will show you how we can choose different visualizations. So let's click here in the add button, and now we are on the new page, which is absolutely blank. Now we can select various charts or card. So let's choose this card here, and we can choose this major value, okay, here, and it is displaying total value in billion because we don't have any slicer right now. So let's select a slicer here now. Okay, which one is this one is a slicer. Okay, just click on any blank area and then click on slicer, so it will create first slicer. And now we can select we need KPI, so let's select KPI name. So we got all the KPIs here. Now let's select one more slicer, click on slicer, and now this time I want GDC, sorry, not GDC, I want date, so dim date. I want financial year, so fiscal year. I can select fiscal year. Okay, so since nothing has been selected here in the slicer, so that's why it is displaying, the card is displaying sum of all the values for every KPI. So let's choose one particular KPI, actual total OPPL. So, and it is displaying for the entire years available in my data warehouse. So let's select a particular year, 2015-16, and you can see value getting changed for different year. When we select different fiscal year, it is getting changed. So you can see how easy it is to create a dashboard using Power BI. Okay, we can select a particular chart now. For example, let's see clustered column chart. So click anywhere within the blank canvas and click on this chart. Now we can now we can select first fiscal year, not fiscal year, we want to display all the months available in particular financial year. Okay, so I have selected month name. Now we will select dim GDC. I want to show GDC wise data, so let's select GDC name. Okay, and values column, I will select this major value. So you can see here this graph is okay. Let's make it bigger so that it is visible. Okay, if we select any other KPI, so we can see. Okay, we can if we want, we can replace this y-axis value with this x-axis. Let's see how we can do that. So we want month name on x-axis. Okay, I think that's enough for today's session. We will go through in more detail in my next session.